If you want to hide your Instagram account from everyone without deactivating it, then here are some methods. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, the best option first is switch to a private account. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Here, tap on the 3 dashboard option available at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, simply scroll down and there tap on the privacy option available there. Now here, turn on private account. Now only approved followers can see your content. Now, the other method is restrict or block users. Restrict hides your activity from them without blocking. Scroll down and tap on the restricted option available there. And once you tap on the restricted, all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and search for the person you want to restrict. They won't see when you are online and their messages go to the request. Also, you can block them, which completely hides your account from them. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.